Hello? Can I help you?
Honey, it's me.
Where's my wife? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
That's me. Remember when you insisted the cat stole your keys, but they were in the freezer next to the ice cream? And your TV remote? You hid it in the cereal box yesterday morning.
It really is you!